All that you should know, I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Hear me now. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I do what I want. Hear me.
Hey Chad, what is going on, baby? I hope you guys are doing well. We are back with some Wall Street sessions. I see Reinhardt, he's here, he's ready. He wants to know what's happening with US30. The guys know where it's at. Chris,
Wait, did you say
Reinhardt.
Reinhardt again? I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that.
Sure, look at this guy coming for me earlier.
No, I thought you said Reinhardt, and I was
Reinhardt.
like, shit, I've never heard a name like that. And I checked, and I was like,
To be fair, it's only because I know someone with a name like that. That's the only reason.
I thought Reinhardt. That sounds very German, very very old neo-Nazi German.
Hey. Almost got it right, Keys.
Almost.
Wait, didn't I get it right?
That's Reinhardt.
Oh,
But Reinhardt,
okay. I'll take that one. I'll take that.
tomato.
That's how the English will say it. We're gonna go with that one. But Chris, how you doing, bro?
Hey, bro, I'm doing well. I think just like the end of the year, we're looking forward to that. You know what I feel like now, and I love the streams. I love everything, but that last 2 hours of the 24-hour stream, this is how I feel about the year. These last 2 weeks are like those last 2 hours. The legs aren't there anymore.
Hey,
but we're pushing.
Chad, I know today's gonna be a good one. As I said, US30, Chris, myself already had some talks here, so we'll break it down shortly for you guys. But a little birdie did tell me Chris didn't take a trade today, so that means there's 2 bullets in the chamber for New York session.
Double up.
There's a double barrel loaded here for you guys.
Double or nothing. that's the word on the street.
But it's gonna be good. But before we get into any of that good stuff, as always, Chris, will you open us up with prayer, brother?
I will, Chad. Let's pray as every day. Please note that again, just with the FSCA going hard at the guys, we need to make it very clear that these streams are not financial advice. Should be purely looked at as education and entertainment. So please just make sure of that, Chad. And again, FSCA is there to protect all of you guys, protect all of us. Nothing bad. So if anyone ever tries to paint a bad picture about the FSCA, absolutely not true. The FSCA is there to protect every consumer that partakes in this fruit of the financial market. So With that being said, let's get straight into the prayer. Father, we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for bringing us all back safely here again this afternoon. We pray that you will guide us, lead us, and just keep your hand over us. We pray for insight and wisdom for Keegan as he leads us into the session. And we just want to bring glory to your name and thank you that you are there for us every single day. And we pray that this session will be blessed. We know it will be blessed because you are here with us. And we thank you for that. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop a nice big capital Amen. Get those caps locks going.
Amen.
Alrighty.
I would like to put me off. We're going to talk about all that good stuff now very, very shortly. But I think we'll talk about the admin actually later on, so we can get right into the chart. Start us off with fundamental chats, guys. A lot of red folders today, but we don't trade AUD, NZD, USD. We do. So 330. This is what we were talking about, coming out flat here with the GDP. Unemployment claims coming out basically a little bit lower, so I'm pretty sure that's not beating anything. And then core durable goods, also lower. Durable goods month on month, again lower over there. And then prelim GDP price index actually a little bit up. So a bit of an interesting one. We have Chicago PMI now also at 445, and then obviously core PC price index at 5. So still two biggies to look out for. Chicago PMI I think will be a big one for us on the indices, so we'll just see what happens there. But everything else, I'm going to say I'm leaning a bit more to the bearish side on the dollar actually. So we're going to see what happens there. That's just my personal idea and thoughts on that one. I mean, we'll hear a little bit from Chris. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Keeks, are you eating turkey tomorrow or will you be on the charts? More protein. I don't know, bro. Not sure about the turkey, but we'll have the day off. I might still do like the cracker. We've seen it does still work on those off days. So I might just do the cracker and then chill out the rest of the time. But let's go over to the charts and let's see what's happening, guys. XY. As I said, I am agreeing with more of the bearish movement here on the dollar. And as I said to you guys, we were going to stay bullish. I said to you, once we got back underneath, this obviously can go bearish, which we were. And then I said, the thing for me is, I'm going to go to a neutral outlook. And again, just purely because of long term. So if we look at this now, we are still technically, yeah, but if we get a closure today, that's when we need the confirmation. Taking this out, I can go a little bit more to the bearish side. Again, still staying neutral, but a bit more of a bearish opinion on that, and only because I want to see this yearly R1. We had a test held. I want to see a test from the backside after a nice move and see if that can either hold or if they
Wait, did you say test from the backside?
Yeah,
okay.
Guys, this man heads in the gutters here today.
Keeks, I was just teasing, man.
I'm ready, Keeks, bot versus man. I know the only problem you have there today, bro, is the cracker and the bot are on the same. And I said to you yesterday, if they're on the same team, you know it's a killer trade. But they are on the same side today, so they won't be going up against each other. So that score is going to have to wait a little bit longer. But yeah, DXY, as I say, guys, want to have that neutral outlook, but purely let's see what happens over here. NASDAQ, we're obviously still holding. And again, as I said, really a neutral outlook. Obviously, we can actually lean to the bullish side purely because my idea is where, as I said, we wanted to see the hold there, which did hold, did go bullish. And again, I want to see that move all the way to the top side here. So there's just something, and that's the thing, guys. I don't know what it is right now, but obviously I am still holding with the US30 bearish move, which we're going to talk about very shortly. But I'm going to keep that here on NASDAQ. Reason being is on the daily it's holding there. But when we look at the 4 hour, again, having a closure above these, taking it, and charts actually coming all the way back down. So for me, the fact we came back in and holding, and then just basically holding the support, we really are just starting to accumulate over here, up and down. So I think once we get the breakaway, we'll have either bullish momentum, or if we break bearish, we're going to see that bearish pressure come in. So I'm just going to keep that neutral outlook for now and see what happens over there on NASDAQ. But US30, much more clearer momentum for me. So when I look here, we're obviously very, very much bullish. So it's hard to stay bullish or not be bullish. But when we look over here on the 4 hour, the thing is, I said to Chris, is this is obviously your Asia highs, and it's also your all-time highs. yes, we so close to the psychological 45,000, but this is obviously a thing for me. We're talking about if a high is to be tested and it rejects, there's again not what we want to be seeing. So for myself here, when we think about this being Asia highs, and again guys, if you didn't watch the new video yesterday, you can go have a look at that. But this again looks forward. So my first thing here is the idea that we had the move. So Asia lows, Asia highs. We then had the retest of Asia lows. Also then the sweep of the lows coming back into the markets. Now we've had the other test. We want to see what's going to happen. And not only this being a test, but taking all-time highs and aggressively pulling all the way back down, as we could see there. I must say, if we get back under Asia lows, I'm going to like those sells, daily pivot, EQ untested, and then the obvious one that everyone's going to be talking about, we still have to go down for the gap fill, previous weekly highs all the way over there. So previous weekly highs, no retest. Previous daily lows, if that gets swept, we are on it. So if this is a sell, I think it could be a very, very big move here for us today. So definitely want to be locked in for that one. And as I said, the cracker is also looking for sells. So we'll keep you guys updated.
Keeks, sorry man, somebody's saying, Keeks, were they talking about you on Gym Confessions post today at Move Gym?
No,
what was the post?
No, that's another guy they're talking about.
What happened? What did
they're asking about? There's a guy at Move, and the reason we know who it is. If you go to the gym, you'll know exactly who it is. But it's this other guy. Also, I don't want to know. He's not a colored guy, but I want to say he's like European or something.
Mexican.
Bro, we're gonna say he's Mexican.
Okay.
But covered in tattoos. Like, I mean, body, neck. I think he's got face tattoos even.
But you with the stash look a little Mexican as well. But okay, let's.
But no, it is not about me.
What did he do?
No, a lot of the girls just go on about him. Say that like he's a good looking oak and all this stuff. And then this one was saying how apparently he sounds like some actor. And this chick apparently approached him, said hello to him, and they were like, okay, no, he definitely does not sound like this person, but they definitely would still go and join the gym to carry on seeing this guy.
But what if you're that guy?
Nah, bro, it's not me.
What if you're that guy, Keeks?
Bro, those confessions were there before I was even at that gym.
Keeks, like, claim it. I would just be like, yeah, that was me. That was me, guys. I'm that hunky guy there at the gym. But okay, no, that's good. Sorry, man, I just saw that.
No, but US30, as I said, I really do like the sell side move. But again, very simple. If we do take Asia highs again, those are some nice equal highs. And at the end of the day, it is a bullish trend. So I'd like to see them move run to the top side. Dharma vibes. There we go. The same one looked like Dharma, bro. And I was like, no,
oh, damn,
it's not me, bro. I'm not claiming that. So now we've seen this here, guys. Again, gold. Very, very much a neutral outlook, and we actually had a nice dive into this on the Ultimate Trader. If you guys aren't part of that, you're missing out. But we had a nice deep dive there. Again, very much a neutral outlook for myself. This is either a very big area you see volume drive in, hence the breakaway or reversal. Now in the 4 hour, we also see our 4 hour 200 there. We had the big breakaway. This is now our retest. So in all essence, this can just be our pullback to have that continuation lower. When we start dropping down, now that you're going to see there, we obviously held this level, including this over here, our daily R1. But the fact we had our open or our volume range, and we started to hold it. Now, we eventually had the breakout coming back in. As I always say to the guys that know how this works now, very similar to our open range. If that is now your fake out, the thing is we've never had a test of the volume range at the bottom, which is also your Asia lows. So we can then, if we come back in having this fake out, I think the sells, and again the EQ, Asia lows, daily pivot, volume, there's a lot at the bottom here which all needs to get tested. And as we said, this is just being the pullback for the day. So again, having that neutral outlook, really want to anticipate these sells to come in here. I think once back under the daily R1 and under this 200, I think there's going to be some very, very big moves happening here. But that's everything from me. Chris, over to you, brother.
Hey, Keeks, beautiful analysis. Chad, let's just get into it. Data relatively mixed. GDP softer than expected or in line with expectations. So nothing too major there. Nothing, I wouldn't say it's a train smash, but let's check here. Previous daily low rejecting weekly S1, daily S1. There's your rejections. There's your previous weekly low, weekly S1. Very, very simple. That little block there, if we hold below it, Dollar is going bearish on the day, otherwise holds above, we can go bullish. US30, we spoke about it earlier this morning. Asia lows, Asia highs, previous daily high. If we can hold above this previous daily high, start breaking above Asia highs, this thing can be a goner to the upside. Otherwise, start breaking back below Asia lows. There's your weekly R1. Chad, you can see a lot of reaction around this weekly R1. So coming back below here, this thing can really start to get some momentum to the downside. Otherwise, what you are seeing is some type of an extended range being created. So quite a big range. Could play a little bit in this range up until we get a breakout either to the downside or to the upside. So nothing major there for me as of yet, but previous daily high, this zone here, Chad. So we've got two little tight zones. Wait for the breakout either way. All right, NASDAQ. Very simple. I told you guys neutral on the day. There's your daily pivot. Jexy, I'm not sure. Let me check the 15. I think that 200 was here somewhere. Chart's lagging a bit. Let's give it a minute. Oh, the 15. Jex, can this be right? The 15, yeah. All right, quite a bit of movement around it, but then eventually holding above that daily pivot, that 200. So now, next up, we've got Asia lows to contend with. If we cannot hold above Asia highs, Asia lows, this thing can go bearish. Otherwise, again, range for range. This is now the range that we are stuck in. Breaks below here, bearish. Rejections there, bearish as well. And then just to monitor daily pivot levels down there. Gold, real quick. We mentioned on the daily bullish while we hold above. Apologies, while we hold above the previous daily high, which we did. Mo absolutely crying after catching these buys from Asia highs, but now it's starting to get a little bit choppy. Nothing that I like in here, chat. I'm not even going to waste your time. All of this overlap for me, not really interested. I'll see how we develop after the open. But if we can hold the daily R1, we can go to that daily key level up there. And then your daily R2, GU. Beautiful. I don't know if you guys remember. Chad, let me know who was in the session this morning when we spoke about liquidity. And I said if something looks this clean, we said at one stage it's going to bust a nut through there. And that is exactly what happened. Nila sending me a message. Neil van der Westhuizen, the author of the weekly and 4-hour pivots. All right, Chad. Big shout out to Nila. But Nila taking this beautiful continuation trade on the hourly 200 EMA, clapping it from there. Beautiful. There's your break.
Bust a nut.
I did say,
Sure.
but nothing a bust up there. No,
Sure.
it's nut busters. Anyway, I think Nila caught like a nice 40-year break continuation. Again, if you go exclamation Discord, those setups are not for any specific time frame. Remember, price is fractal. You can use it on the hourly, 30, 1 minute, however you want to use it. But Nila catching a beautiful trade there. Now for the session for me, nothing I can do here really. I need to see some type of pullback, maybe some type of consolidation. 12650. There's your weekly R1, daily R2. This thing is somewhat chalked for me for the rest of the session. And then last one, GJ. GJ now testing Asia lows. If and when we reject here, I might look for a trade back into this 191 level. Otherwise, holds above this daily S1, and we are going for that daily pivot. Asia has untested. So this is the zone. The only one that looks relatively clean for me is GJ. And we've got 2 minutes left. And over to you, Keeks.
Here we go. We are ready, guys. I think we're going to have a nice big move. Yeah, as you said, the cracker and the machine.
The machine.
Both on the same side here today.
Machine.
Here's my question though, bro. So obviously you having the insights into the cracker there. You seeing what I'm seeing. Will you still take it off the rip?
What's that? Me.
Yeah. You know what I'm seeing. Would you take that off the rip?
I would actually like for it to first break up now on this 1 minute.
That's what I'm saying. So you're not going to take it on the rip.
No, I'm always going to take it on the rip.
Okay. No, but that's what I'm asking.
No, but if it opens up on that 200, I'm not taking it. Literally not taking it. I want it just before the open to go up, and then I'll take it.
Okay. All right.
But if it goes down to the 200 now before the open, my finger is. I wanted to say I was sitting on my fingers under my butt. Yeah, Chad. There we go. Things are getting weird here.
Hey, Chad.
Things are now at a weird stage.
This is gonna be. Ooh.
No, I can't. Sure, the machine. If it closes below the 200, yeah. Okay. 3. Wait. Okay. Woof. Okay, I took it, bro.
Yo.
And out. In and out. In and out. Out and in.
The man was like, yo,
In and
I'm
out.
going to go for this.
It did close below the 200.
It did.
But that's why I said earlier, like, why would you be bearish on US30 where that data was... The data wasn't horrific. Weaker dollar could pump US30.
Let's see, Chad.
That is a projectile finish there.
Let's see. We aren't ready yet. I just realized, Chris, we didn't even blow the horn, brother.
Whoa, here's it. Blow that on. That's maybe why.
Markets open, guys. Round 4, 5, 6. What are we, Wednesday? 6. Round 6. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Keeks, you should technically be in on the cracker.
Yeah, but I was busy. I didn't see that now. So we're going to see Chad. We're going to see
That was a valid entry on the cracker.
It was a valid
Yeah.
entry.
But check that previous daily high now.
These levels are like, they here to play, bro. They are here to play.
If it holds this previous daily high, this thing's gonna bust a few stop losses.
Oh, I want to see something.
If it breaks, yeah, I
Yo,
almost
Chad,
want to
I'm
say.
not going to enter there. I want to see something there. I'm not entering that.
I want to say Keeks if it breaks the cherry
Yeah.
back into the peach.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah. Otherwise,
like
this
that.
thing can run. This
Yeah.
thing can really. This thing can really run. But if
No,
we
no,
get
I agree
closures
with you.
back below that previous daily high, otherwise. Yo, but look at Nas, my dude.
What's Nas doing?
Nas is absolutely dying.
Oh.
Cho.
But US30, you know US30, bro. It likes to be the one. The special child.
Yeah, I know. That previous daily high, can't.
Yeah, guys, I'm not going to. I want to see it, but yeah, I'm not entering that there.
Okay, let's say it busts the cherry now, and it busts back into the scheme.
If we get a turnaround, I'll go for it. The only thing is that psychological 45,000 for me is so close. Like, it might as well just punch that.
And then you'll wait for the cherry, eh?
Yeah.
Sure. NCS, my guy. What do you think about NCS today?
They're delivering you, bro.
Yo, NCS going in, my dude. Joe, US30.
Ah, there we go.
US30, Chad. Sales are going to be tough today. Sales are always going to be tough today.
US30 said, hold my beer.
US30 said, I'm not taking a prisoner here. See your shorts? This is what I think about your shorts. Boom.
Nah, bro, it's win for that, eh?
Boom.
Nah, guys, US30 is a beast.
Too much busting today. Hi, chat. Only woke up now. Hey, man. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, bro. The rest of the market, nothing for me. GBP, USD. Pound. Let's see if we are on it. Wait for it. Shish. NCS.
Yeah, so
Witchcraft
this is what I
price.
want to see, yeah.
Bro, you still consider it a sell though?
Yeah, I want to see now. It's 45,000 this key level.
Closes in a cherry, going for it.
Yeah.
Off the rip. Cherry and the rip.
There we go, bro.
For reals, for reals.
I promise you.
No cap.
No cap.
Facts. They
There
say
you go,
facts.
Chad. I mean, let me just get this 1 minute there for you guys.
Bro, it's not allowing me to enter. What are they doing to us?
So now if I take a stop, that's fine, but I'm much happier with this position.
I can't take a position, young man. Let's check something. Nope. How to check if you can open up a position? I can't open up a position. There it's opening up now.
There we go. Just need a key level to hold, yeah.
Bro, the brokers are obviously expecting something because they've increased the margin requirements by like 3 times now.
There's Chicago PMI now.
Okay, that makes sense. Oh, is it PMI now?
That's why I want to see this thing move a bit.
But it's mid tier though. Mid tier data.
If this gets back about that 45, then yeah, we're in trouble.
Chalkville.
I'm on, just hold there.
I want to say the safe entry is closures back below the previous daily high. Otherwise, the guys are going to take their bullets before Thanksgiving and just Keeks, that previous one when you were blowing the horn on the cracker, would you have taken that or not? Literally as the open candle No, but no. Oh, so no, you wouldn't because the
I
open
would-
candle we don't soak.
Yeah. And the next one would have still been there. The
Yeah,
third
still,
one would have been
yeah,
a punch.
yeah, so
Yeah.
okay. No, so this is
Technically,
valid.
literally, this actually is the entry.
Yeah, this is the entry. No, that's
Yeah.
what I'm thinking. Hello.
I just want to see how this candle's going to close, guys. Then I might already start making changes on the position.
I checked now. It's actually valid. There wasn't any because the open candle opened at the open. No, but Keeks, check. The candle,
So I'm just going to minimize stops to half.
Keeks, but check quickly. If you think about it, we opened up just below the 200 EM and the 1 minute, and then that next one punched. So that's actually. You check.
Yeah. No, but remember the one that opened under the 200 isn't the start yet. That's 29 past. Then there's the open candle, half past.
No, but fuck now, I'm confused. So on as that candle closed, markets opened up. So that's the market opening.
Yeah. But I think to be fair, we wouldn't have counted that one because of how close that was. Like remember that pulled back and then it closed
Yeah.
just after.
No, but I mean the
So if you think
candle
of
after
how-
that. The candle, that bullish candle after it.
Yeah.
That is technically a valid.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
remember
yeah.
we said that afterwards. I still said I didn't necessarily like that punch because we've seen that before.
From the 200.
Yeah. So the minute we could have something like this where it can punch and has a nice key area or something like this to reverse from, then I'm happy with that. Most your business and are you two both from Australia?
Correct. Down under, lad.
Never been. Most Port Elizabeth.
Port
I know
Elizabeth.
Hughes looks it, but seriously.
Port Elizabeth. The down under. You get down under, and what's under the down under? That's where GQ. Port. Volume 6. Wait for Chris. That's a real template. I'm so confused too. Chad, there's honestly, I can't trade shit here. I don't know if I'm a little bit retarded, but there's literally no setup for me here, Chad. There's honestly no setup for me on anything here. Maybe there's a setup for you guys, but for me personally, there's not a setup. There's honestly nothing that even looks remotely good to me. Yeah.
Hey, okay, guys, there I am out of the trade. That is me. Took a half for the rest though, so that's fine.
Just do that 200 again, crazy. Crazy, Chad. All
People
I'm
are gonna
saying-
be making a trade just off of that, bro.
Chad, I'm telling you guys, you don't even have to thank me later. Go check the 1 minute. Go check the 200 EMA on the 1 minute for the last 2-3 months on US30. Go check it out. Come back, tell me what you find. Let's share it with the chat. I know what's there. That thing is disgusting. It's a disgusting strat. It's filthy. Dude, that thing is honestly Keegs. It's just the ugly. Chat, let me quickly show you. Keegs, it's fine if I quickly go here.
Go for it, bro.
Chat, so this was yesterday. There's your 200. There's the market open. There's the 200 on the 1 minute. Okay. That was Tuesday. Let's go Monday. I just want to show you guys Monday quickly. Let's go Monday. Where was Monday? Here's Monday.
This thing worked us out and going to our TP.
There's that Monday. Look at Monday. Let's go to today. Just 3 days now. But you guys can go back. Again, like I said, I'm just putting you on some alpha. Yeah, today. 200. Chad, I don't know. Is it a coincidence? Do you guys think it's a coincidence? Let's maybe go Friday. Last one, Keeks. Happy? Friday? Let's check Friday quick.
JS, I'm guessing you knew your brother. I just want to ask, so my question is, what difference does it make if I show you the position when I put it open? It's not like it was there the whole time, and I said, okay guys, I am entering, and you watch it play out in trading view, or if you watch terminal where it's executed, I'm still putting it up real time, all of this. So what difference does that make for credibility?
Who's saying that?
I don't know, some newbie.
Where is he? Oh, no, credibility, important, JS. Gotta be credible.
What the difference is.
Credibility, that's what the banks need if you're gonna go buy a car. Credibility, Keeks. You gotta pick up on the credibility, my dude.
We gotta be transparent.
You gotta lose the money in front of the people. They wanna see the money being lost.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's the only way, bro.
They gotta see the money being lost. It's difference. Yo, paper trade. Big difference. JS, definitely. The
So,
thing is, paper money you can't withdraw. That's almost like ICT trading. And real trading, I believe you can withdraw the profits. And those losses hurt quite a bit. Makes you tearful. You cry a little bit. But
so JS, that is the technical answer, yes, which I think you learned in grade 1, what the difference is. But what I'm asking you is, if you're saying you want to know if I'm legit trading or not, now keep in mind, if someone comes to watch the stream,
it's not legit. Chad is not legit.
What are you wanting to see?
Keeks is not legit because it's not a real Australian. Are you talking about your Australian? Sorry, man. I thought you guys were talking about these origins from Australia. I thought, no. Keeks, sorry, man. Chad is not a legitimate Australian. Stop that craziness.
It's better to see it visually on the trading view charts anyway, rather than the profits they get in on MetaTrader. Because Jay is technically what Mo's is saying there, and that's the agreement. You want to see how much you're making. You don't want to see execution. That's what you want to see.
We're not making a lot, dude. That's why we YouTube. These $5 we get per stream really goes a long way to get the ramen. So yeah. So hit that subscribe button, Jay. Stop this madness. Subscribe. Drop a dono. Getting to the end of the year, we can't only do ramen, Keeks. We gotta change up the diet, my dude. That Durban curry ramen is not gonna pull us through till Jan, my dude.
Alright guys, but I have my second bullet, so I might take something on gold. Yeah, we're just gonna see if this holds.
No, Jace, don't worry about it. Don't stress about it, brother. Terminal is not gonna. But anyways, Chad, nothing for me so far. Market still within. Okay, 15-minute shuffle come and gone. US30 starting to pull back somewhat here. Big thing we're going to need to monitor is that previous daily high. Keeks, I'm just going to go split screen here. That previous daily high, Asia high. Okay, that's going to be quite key for us. Gold stays stepping here for me. All of this overlap is just very choppy. Not really interested in any of this. I do think we can go and hit that daily key level 2659. GBP USD now at 26,500 half round number. Let's see what she does right here. if we can get some type of, I want to say a minor break of structure even here, something like this. Bullish candle closing like that after a bearish candle, bottom wick rebreak. Then I can say we can go for these session highs and then the weekly and daily R2. But other than that, would I sell from here? Not necessarily, Chad, because the order flow overall is still very bullish. So no, that's the only way I can get involved here. And then GJ, as I mentioned, this zone here, this zone up here, if we reject that potential positions, let's check the 5 here. There's that 200 EMA. There's your 5 minute. Oh no, Chad, it's just tough scenes here. Tough scenes here. How did the 15 close? 15 closing bullish. 30 minute closed. Okay, 30 minute close rejecting there. Quite a strong taking the previous there. Bearish engulfing. So that 5 could be valid. That break there. No top wick though. Could be valid while we're holding below here. So break of the lows there, monitor this minor support structure and then go for 191. But again, not an A plus setup for me. I'm not willing to risk paper money on this.
Nah, bro, those I don't want to put those paper.
These paper trades don't bring in the ramen, so no paper trades there for me, Chad. I want to see a clean setup though. It's not clean. Yeah, I know.
Nah, bro, don't waste your paper money.
No. Is he asking for this, Keegs? To see on a terminal that we've taken positions. JSD terminal. Shit, that's where Keegan entered as well. I'm still in it. But it's paper money though, it's not real. It's just paper money.
Hey JS, my brother, have you ever thought, I'm gonna give you the one piece of
advice.
About
Keeks, but why does it say, I don't know, what should it say real on top there? Or is that not real? Is that
no,
paper?
Real is the new paper.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, paper.
Yeah.
Alright. Now we do the paper.
You know the thing is, bro, I always just say to you guys is, in the very, very simple thing is, and this, as I say, JS, is going to be the one little bit of advice I'm going to give you today, is when you've got 200 something people in a room, and everyone else is in agreement, and you are the knob, have you ever thought that maybe the 200 people are right, and you are the common denominator that's wrong? Just to think about that, like fruitful thought. Maybe do with it what you want. Goes in one side, goes out the other side. That's up to you, brother.
Okay, Jace, but Keeks, we showed him the terminal. We showed him it's a real demo account from a non-affiliated broker.
Yeah, bro, but I'm telling you, it's a paper account.
No, it's a real demo account. Some of these guys are trading with demo. We're trading with real demo accounts. That's the difference. We're not the same here, guys. We're not the same here. Other guys are trading fake demo accounts. We're trading real demo accounts.
We haven't figured out how to do the fake ones.
Paranoia with all the scammers. Yeah, it's fine. We understand it. Jace, we still love you, brother. We love every Chad, even thy ignorant Chad that comes into the Chad.
Core 26. I couldn't agree more.
Jexy. Yeah, Alex G taught us all how not to fake withdrawals. Jexy, are you referring to the 15 or the 30? Let me just check. Sorry, Jex, I think I missed it. or the 5 minutes. Where's Jexy? 15 minutes. Jexy, sorry man, there was quite a bit going on in the chat there. Or you saying that now that we failed to hold above it, think we can go down? Like I said before the open, for me, this was the zone right here. Remember what I said? I don't know if Jexy, if you were here at the start of the session, I said the idea is that if we're going to continue bullish, we're going to need to hold above the Asia highs here. Otherwise, we're going to play in between this range. But this thing just punched through this daily pivot. Didn't even, no foreplay, just straight to the business end. It was like drinks, waiter, just bring the bill, we done here. And it's like, boom, out there, Nas went. So it's very tough getting entries here, but also there's your previous weekly high. Nas didn't, dude, I even think Nas was on that first date that they got on Tinder. Got the drinks, geeks, and then when the date came in, it's like, hey, nice to meet you. Just gonna go to the bathroom. Didn't even pay for the bill. Just darted straight out the door. Not even like, hey, yes, you don't even look a lot like what you do on social media. Was that your sister in the photo, or is that you? Yeah, that's the Dylan Luke FSCA. That's the money glitch. You don't have any real risk on the table, and you can withdraw from the demo. It's the infinite money glitch.
Jace, I hear you, brother. I hear you, my man. It's tough out there. I mean, there's no testimonies, there's none of that, but I mean, hey, apparently everyone is just live stream and trades live on TV, and it's nothing now. So I get you, bro. I get you. Everyone just does it nowadays.
What's with all the sarcasm? No sarcasm, yeah. Keeks, Chris, I hope you gents have been doing well. Rocco, hope you're doing well, my brother.
Rocco.
Yeah, nothing here for me. Chase, but we showed you a live terminal though, dude. It's like, what more do you want to see? We showed it to you live.
That was a paper terminal, bro. It wasn't a live terminal.
Bro, it's literally a non-affiliated broker. It says real, so I don't know. Anyways, on to the next one. Keeks, nothing here for me, my brother. I'll let you know if...
I love how US30 is just going now. It's chill. We got wicked, but it's alright.
I didn't move my stop.
Didn't you? Oh, did you enter the same place?
Yeah, I entered with you, mate. I'm just letting the probability
to be fair, if I had the 60 pip, I would have still been in.
Yeah.
But because purely that 200, sorry, I was like, not the 200, that Asia high and everything.
Yeah.
I was like, if this...
It can run away.
What was that? It was not the 200, but yeah,
the previous daily high.
If that thing held, it was going to come back and run.
Yeah, exactly. Keeks, I'm just gonna, yeah, there's it. I didn't move the stops where they were executed there with you. And I was purely looking at the idea of that 200 year. We bounced off it, and if you go check yesterday, we came back again to that 200. So let's see. Chris Clock, sarcastic. Cam, that's just how I am, dude. I'm just was Woodsy, now I'm Rocco. Hey Rocco, nothing with the good old name change. Chris hits TP on sarcasm. Mates, once your account is out of trouble, then you can scale up your risk. But if you're still in drawdown, stay at 0.5 or even less. Chris, so you got to hit with both of your bullets. No. So that is the neural account. My main account, I didn't take a position. No position there.
Dylan, that's a good way to think about it.
Dylan, exactly. So if you but here's the thing where the props make sense is even though they're advertising $100,000 account, you've got the full margin of that $100,000 account.
So you've got the buying power of that account.
Yes, so you wouldn't be able to open those type of lots, let's say with a $5,000 account.
Yeah.
So it's more, the benefit is more the buying power, even though you can only technically lose $10,000 and technically your investment. So if you go like for like, let's say you pay 10,000 Rand and you get a 2 million Rand prop account. Your risk is not even 1% of the total loss you can make on that account. So think about it in that terms. For instance, the one trader we had that made 600K, his return on investment, I think, was something like 11,000%. Because if you think about the risk you're putting on the table, it's say 7,000 or 8,000 Rand for the prop account. So that's where the benefit lies. And here's the thing: the way a real prop firm works is, let's say I go to a real prop firm, let's say something capital in Santon, and Keegan pitches up there and is like, "Hey guys, I want to trade on your floor. I want to become one of your prop traders." They're like, "Beautiful, Keeks. I tell you what, we're gonna give you 9 million Rand to trade with. But you're going to have to give 1 million Rand of your own money. You're allowed to lose 30% of the total 10 million. But the first million Rand loss we take comes out of your pocket." And that's how real prop firms work, because now everyone's got skin in the game. All right. So okay. Now already.
So, bro, I'm taking a sell on gold.
Okay.
Guys, we're going with the
paper. Is it a paper trade?
Yeah, paper, bro.
Okay. Just state there, paper trade.
Yeah, we're gonna put there for the guys. Yeah. This is my second bullet. We want to go with this here. Again, very, very simple. We want to aim. There's your 1-to-1 where if it hits that, we'll go break even. But we just want to see what's going to happen here first.
So that's how real prop firms work. You have to get some skin in the game, and later on, if you've proved yourself, they're like, "Okay, listen, yeah, it's fine. We're covering the bull." So that's the real traditional prop firm model. Bring your million, we'll give you 10 million. First 10%, it's on your bull, your tab. And I rate if you lose that first million in a day, they're going to say, "All right, shot for coming. I think we're done here. Let's just wrap it up here, boys." But the real prop firm space is dead though. When I spoke to Greg Davies, the guys are struggling. Especially the local guys. They even, I think I told you, Keeks, they've got a backbone into the JSE exchange just to give the guys a little bit of an edge in front of the algos. But no, Chad, when I was there many years ago, he showed me, they've got like that typical billions floor, like the traders there, guys chilling, trading. And he still showed me, he said, like, for instance, that guy at the start of the year was down 30 million, is now up, say, 30 million. That guy's up 20 million. That guy's down 8 million.
Okay, Chad, I'm going to just bring that stop down to 20. Reason being, we obviously are at that previous daily high, so we can see a bit of rejection coming off there.
NEOT, there's still one in Joburg as well. Kratos Capital. They still have their prop from there. But Chad, those guys I even asked Greg, like, what did they trade? Greg is like,
Chad, I'm going to break even. And as you said, this is a nice swing position, and we'll aim for that volume low that we spoke about earlier.
Kicks, but it's paper profits, so.
Paper profits, bro.
Okay, nice, nice.
Chad, we're all about those paper profits.
Paper
Does that help for you,
profit,
brother?
yeah.
Does that help?
The paper props. Yeah, here's the thing though, the market can go two ways here. Guys can be jovial about Thanksgiving tomorrow, buying some stock, getting ready, or they can be like, nah, I want to have a good Thanksgiving. I don't want to stress about positions. Let's lock it in, boys. Let's close shop. Long weekend.
That looks like a demo key. Oh, yeah, that is. Oh,
Who's that?
no, it's Rick's.
Oh,
Hey, bro, you can't win them all, eh? You can't win them all.
Rucatelia. Kicks out, but I'm ready to call it. There's honestly nothing for me. I do think US30, Chad, if you go on, I think it was the 30. The 30, yeah, check your 30 minutes quickly. There's your 30, minor break of structure back outside of the Asia high. Bottom wick testing that previous daily high. Holding Asia highs. There's your wick fill. You can go for 80% of that wick fill. And next up, daily R1. And this is, I think, a yearly monthly R4. DXY, as mentioned, if we cannot get through that level, things are going to continue bearish for the dollar. Currently rejecting that zone there. Nasdaq, Nas, ugly ex-girlfriend. And then gold, as mentioned, I was not a fan of the stepping up. This is no clear direction for me. Usually you can get moves like this where it just starts diverging, coming down. So nothing there for me. Also there is technically,
break even, eh, guys?
Technically there's your 200 EMA on the 30. There's your test of the previous daily high, Asia highs. I'm not interested in it. And then GBP USD. Let's see. Again, what do we do with this price action? Can we do anything, Keegs? Do we want to do anything?
Shando, no, they are trailing, bro. Nah, bro, that's it. I took 2 bullets. I took a 0.5% and then a break even. So that's me, bro.
And then GJ, Chad, like I said this morning, I didn't like any of that. I did say if we can hold here, we can come back to test daily S1, which we did. Again, no entry for me there. And now, yeah, Chad, I don't know. If I need to, I always say it, if I need to get creative and I need to be like, yeah, if it does this and it does a little backflip and a little kick flip onto an ollie, into a pop shove it, then I'm gonna enter. Then it's like, just don't trade it. So, Keeks, full screen or
You can go full screen, bro. I took my 40 pips. Hey, awesome, bro. Awesome stuff.
please don't tell me that's Lyndon again. Lyndon.
No, that was Ruben.
Lyndon had a monster week, Chad. Well done, Lyndon. You can take a break. You can take the rest of the week off. Lyndon had a beautiful week. Well done.
Hey, awesome stuff. We love to hear that, guys. But yeah, I think, guys, that's it. I think after 7 trades, the cracker took half a loss. If anything, you could have argued going a break even if you didn't minimize, but that's part of the management. So that's just part of it.
Is that really a loss though if you paper trade, Kicks? You
oh
can't.
my word, bro! This JS is still going on. I give up on him, bro. I give up on him. Yeah, guys. So that's just part of it. We're obviously going to see what happens tomorrow. As we said earlier, a little bit of admin. It is a bank holiday in the US tomorrow. So, unfortunately, no Wall Street sessions. This will be the opening bell. So, for myself, I'll see you guys on Friday.
Friday,
Yeah, Friday.
Friday for Cotton Bangers, double sesh.
There we go. But, Chris, any closing remarks, bro?
No, Keeks. So if you can let me know just where I can get a live account. I'm not sure. I thought we could withdraw these paper trades, but anyways, I'll find out how we can get trading real money. But again, these streams are not financial advice. These are purely for vibes, education, and entertainment. So if you're concerned about live accounts, go chat to your financial advisor, because we are not your financial advisors, Chad. But anyways, peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Yeah, JS, again, you went to the terminals. You sold the terminals. So I don't know what else you want.
We can't, JS, we can't verify trades. We're not financial advisors. We're just YouTubers trying to figure out how to trade. Peace and love, baby.
But as
Cheers.
always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Cheers, Chad.
Peace and love.
I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. Mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm falling to your picture of you. You would eat me alive, and now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is the sign that I'm healing.
twice for you and I